Hey yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Chad bringing y'all another video, man. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, as you guys can see, have the Tesla 2025 Tesla Model 3. I traded in my Subaru WRX. I know a lot of you guys may be like, what? Why would you do that? But the Subaru WRX is very nice, but the amount of money I spend in gas is ridiculous. And this having, if you guys can see in my garage, I don't know if you guys can see over here. Actually, I'll just show you real quick. So in our garage, we went ahead and installed the Tesla wall connector so we could charge the car at night. So instead of me paying $300 a month when I charge up, I probably pay $3 for that day, drive the car, what would you say, 3 to 4 days? And then I pay $3 more. So I probably spend, I don't know, total like $27 a month compared to $300 in gas. There's my wife. She was out here helping me record the video. But yeah, so I traded in my WRX for this Tesla Model 3. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here.
So guys, we're off to pick up Chad's new car. This is his last time driving the Subaru.
I'm gonna be sad to see it go. But we'll be saving money.
You guys can take a look at the inside on how it looks, the infotainment system, and we're on our way, so stay tuned.
Hold on a second, y'all, hold on.
Every time. For this part right here. Yeah, mom. Yo, so it's currently delivery day for me picking up my Tesla. We're currently inspecting the car right now. You see, I got my wife with me. She's doing a good job inspecting. She's inspecting everything in the inside. I got the Quicksilver trailer. I'm trading in my WRX for it. So yeah. So this is the 2025 Tesla Model 3. As you guys can see, this is the new one because it does have Tesla across the back instead of just the Tesla logo. Very clean car. I really like it. The wife really likes it. It drives because it's all-wheel drive. So this is the long-range all-wheel drive Model 3. Cool things that this actual Model 3 has. Of course, it has the rear trunk, which we'll open it up here so you guys can see. So it goes up, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of actual trunk space back here. And then even you have here, you got your front license plate as well as a adapter that comes with it for an actual Tesla charger. Yeah, you also have a button here. So if you come look at the button, when you push it, it just brings it down. Nice plate. Going around to the front. So for the front, it does have a front option, which you can open from here. So all you do, yeah. So then you hit open front. So the front's open. So if we go around, this is the actual front space. And it's not that much space, but you could put some stuff right here, as well as it does have this little metal piece, if you're showing the metal piece. Yeah. Your windshield wiper fluid here as well. And that's the front and the trunk. So like I said, this is the Tesla Long Range Model 3. We're getting in the car now to talk about the rest. This is just the intro video showing you guys basically. And before I even get in the car, let me show you guys what it looks like. Don't mind my floor, but this is what the door looks like. And of course, this does come with the ambient lighting in the inside all the way around, as you guys can see. Like I said, don't mind the floor is dirty. I put in actual floor mats I bought off Amazon. So you have the center console here, and you have all this storage. So we actually put in these little consoles here. So if you actually take out this console, you have all this space in there. And you also have this for the actual cup holder. So it looks like this when you first get in, just plain and simple. And then all you do is just bring this back. And we of course put the plastic in the cup holders. Bring this back. We have another cup holder little thing here, which if you push it back, it's even more storage. And then to the back seats, I'll show you guys the back seats. So of course we put in a mat for the back seat as well. And as you get into the back seat, I have to clean this. I've had it about a week now. You have the little display right there that you can touch and adjust your air. And of course you do have the panoramic roofing, which comes tinted, so that's pretty nice. And this is what it looks like if you're in the back seat and you get in the driver's seat. Yeah, so like I said, we're in the Tesla. Like I said, my wife loves it. I love it. Compared to my WRX, like I said, they're both all-wheel drive. So the feeling of going around turns and speeding up, the acceleration on this is crazy. That 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever you want to call it. You definitely do feel the actual speed, because like your back just hits the back of the seat and you're gone. She doesn't necessarily like it. Just to show what it looks like when it's ready to go, it just loads my profile, adjusts the steering wheel, and fixes my chair. I really just pulled it out the garage just for this. But as you can see here, Tesla does have this really big actual display. So like you have all your settings for your car, your controls, windshield wipers. I have them on auto. The brightness of the display you could turn up and down. Right now it's set to auto. Dynamics, charging. I charge all the way to 80. I've even set a charging schedule. So starts charging from us 11 p.m. at night to 4 a.m., which is super off-peak hours. So that way I don't use a lot of money when it comes to charging at my own house. Which, charging at your crib, if you're going to get a Tesla, show me so I can tell them. If you're going to get a Tesla, it makes no sense to go to a supercharger, except for if you're on a road trip. Other than that, just install the wall charger. You save so much money, time, and everything. Just sitting there, just charging, that doesn't make any sense. But yeah, so you have all the rest of your actual settings here. I actually need to connect it to Wi-Fi so that way I can do my software update. But you just move this, so like if I put my foot on the brake, you move it up to go into drive, down to go into reverse, and you just tap it to park it. As well as if I put my foot on the brake again, up here you can actually change the actual I guess car, like drive, park, everything. Let's see. Well, it doesn't want to do it right now, but yeah, you can actually use this for when you're actually trying to go somewhere. And then you just basically drive. It sounds like a spaceship, kind of looks like one. I still need to get my actual windows tinted, and once I get my windows tinted, then everything will be good. But yeah, man, if you guys have enjoyed the video, like I said, traded in my Subaru WRX for this 2025 Tesla Model 3. Loving it so far. I'm be coming out with more videos to give you guys more of my, likes and dislikes, or my top features, things like that. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. And as always, it's been your boy Chad, and I'm out. Peace.